Now I will begin with a brief introduction to the tourist and hospitality sector in Malaysia. Tourism is an important contributor to Malaysia's economy and service industry. It includes various sectors such as hospitality, transportation, aviation, accommodation, and food service, which support the needs of tourists. The hospitality sector provides comfort through hotels and food service, while aviation connects Malaysia with other countries. Land transportation such as bus, taxis, e-hailing service and trains also improve travel convenience. With attractions like beach, island, forest and cultural heritage sites, tourists create many job opportunities, generates national income and promotes Malaysia's cultural and identity internationally.
For part 2, I will present the industry overview of the tourism and hospitality industry in Malaysia, focusing on key players, market size and growth, and main product and services. Next, Malaysia's tourism and hospitality industry is supported by government agencies, international brands, and local companies. Tourism Malaysia promotes the country as a global tourism destination, while MAHB manage major airports, and MEFCOM ensures aviation safety and service quality. The industry includes international hotel chains such as Marriott, Hilton, Eka, and Hyatt, as well as local hotel groups like Berjaya, YTL, and Sunway. Airlines such as Malaysia Airlines and AirAsia play a key role in improving connectivity and accessibility. Economically, tourism is one of Malaysia's most important service industries, contributing about 14 to 15% of GDP before the pandemic and creating many job opportunities. After a temporary decline during COVID-19, the industry has recovered strongly, supported by rising tourist arrivals from Asian countries, China, and the Middle East, as well as domestic tourism. Future growth is driven by ecotourism, medical tourism, and experimental travel. Malaysia's tourism and hospitality industry offers a wide range of products and services. Accommodation include luxury hotels and resorts, as well as budget hotels, homestays, and service apartments. Popular destinations include Langkawi, Sabah, Kuala Lumpur, and Penang. In addition, the industry provides airlines, travel agency, tour operators, cruise services, and ground transportation. Malaysia also focuses on specialized tourism such as ecotourism, heritage tourism, medical tourism, Islamic-friendly tourism, and MICE tourism, which enhance the overall visitor experience.
The tourist and hospitality industry is a significant contributor to Malaysia's gross domestic product. For example, it contributes between 12.8 to 15.9% to Malaysia GDP between 2016 and 2023. The industry also makes a significant contribution to employment opportunity. For example, it provides 3.14 million to 3.54 million jobs annually between 2019 and 2024 of the total Malaysia workforce. The industry contribution to other economic indicators such as infrastructure development and employment significantly increase tax revenue to the government and increase the value of the Malaysian currency. The second factor is technological advancement. Innovation, the research, this industry such as artificial intelligence provide 24 hours customer service and help with booking. AI application also can analyze customer by data provided customization recommendation to customer. Next is contactless and mobile technology. For example, offering payment methods through Apple Pay and Google Pay. Customer can also order food through mobile ordering and electronic menus. Next is the Internet of Things. For example, developing and innovating smart room enabled by IoT has offered the convenience of easy lighting control, temperature control, and work control.
Next, I will present the third factor. Another important regulation involves taxation. Tourism businesses must pay tourism tax, also known as tourist or accommodation tax, to the government.
This tax contributes to national revenue and supports the development of tourism infrastructure. Businesses must also comply with regulation related to businesses' location and operational standards to ensure services quality. Environmental and heritage protection is a key focus on tourism regulation in Malaysia. To reduce environmental damage, the government enforced environmental impact assessment before approving the construction of new hotels or tourism facilities. In addition, visitors' numbers to protect to heritage sites are monitored, and in some cases, fee and restrictions are imposed to prevent over-tourism. Regulation also controls short-term rentals, especially in historical towns, to preserve local culture and community well-being. Next, focus on sustainability practices in the tourism and hospitality industry. Sustainability is very important because unsustainable tourism can cause serious problems such as high carbon emission, excessive energy and water consumption, water generation and damage to ecosystem and heritage sites. It also can create social issues like overcrowding and increased cost of living for local community. To reduce these negative impacts, many tourism and hospitality businesses in Malaysia are adopting sustainable practices. These include the use of energy efficient, renewable energy, water saving system, and waste reduction and recycling programs. In addition, some businesses support community-based tourism, fair employment, and local economic participation. This allows local community and small businesses to benefit directly from tourism development. Overall, sustainability practices help ensure that tourism growth in Malaysia is environmental, responsible, social, inclusive, and economic beneficial in the long term.
So, my name is Siti Nurakila binti Sezam, AP240021. Moving on to section 4.1, let's examine the primary challenge currently facing Malaysia's national tourism and hospitality sector. Our first major hurdle is direct competition within the Asian region, specifically from Thailand. Interestingly, Malaysia actually lead in visitor numbers during the first quarter of 2025 with 10.1 million arrival compared to Thailand's 9.5 million. However, we remain under significant pressure to innovate. Thailand's aggressive marketing, flexible visa regulation, and target travel package are highly effective at drawing the Asian market away. To stay ahead, Malaysia must look beyond basic infrastructure and prioritize sustainable tourism attraction. The second challenge involves rising operational costs driven by supply chain and aircraft disruption. Our market is currently vulnerable due to regional constraints and a critical lack of airplane parts, which has led to widespread flight cancellation. This reduced capacity directly increased costs of hospitality businesses that rely on air travel. Consequently, the industry must now adopt strict cost control mechanisms, such as the 5S methodology, to maintain viability. Now, let's explore the emerging opportunities that can drive growth for Malaysian tourism and hospitality sector. Our first major opportunity lies in new market domestic and short-haul tourism, heavily fueled by government initiatives like Visit Malaysia 2026. This campaign targets an ambitious 35.6 million visitors and 147.1 billion ringgit in recipient by promoting our unique heritage and health-related activities. State-level programs such as Visit Johor 2026 effectively encouraging both local and international tourists to increase their spending and frequency of visits. The second opportunity is the integration of advanced technology to boost efficiency and revenue. For example, hotels are now using AI chatbots and big data to provide 24/7 hyper-personalized recommendation and real-time room management. This innovation not only optimizes staffing workloads but significantly increases guest satisfaction and loyalty, ensuring repeat visits through seamless digital service.
In conclusion, tourism and hospitality is a key pillar of Malaysia's economy. From 2016 to 2023, the sector contribute around 13 to 16% of GDP and provide employment to more than 20% of the workforce. The sector growth is supported by key stakeholders and modern technologies such as digital system and artificial intelligence. Initiatives like Visit Malaysia 2026 aim to further strengthen Malaysia's position as a leading tourist destination. Moving forward, the future of tourists depend on sustainable practice, balanced growth and continued economic and employment benefit, ensuring long-term positive impact on the country. In conclusion, tourism and hospitality is a key pillar of Malaysia's economy. From 2016 to 2023, the sector contribute around 13 to 16% of GDP and provide employment to more than 20% of the workforce. The sector growth is supported by key stakeholders and modern technologies such as digital system and artificial intelligence. Initiatives like Visit Malaysia 2026 aim to further strengthen Malaysia's position as a leading tourist destination.